Hello my friends, welcome to Code Guy channel. This is workshop video implement the binary search algorithm. For the first step, define function binary search. This function will take two parameters, search list and value. Step 2. Usually when we implement binary search function, it will look through the search list and return true or false wherever value was found. In this exercise, we also will return the list called path to target. That will consist of the elements we went through to find our value. Step number 3. For completing binary search, we need to find the most leftest element in our search list and the most rightest one. As you know, the first element in the list in Python has index 0. Define variable low with value 0. Because we start counting from 0, the last element, let's say in a search list of 10 elements, will be 9. So the last right element that we define as a high will be equal to length of the search list minus 1. Step number 4. The binary search algorithm is based on the narrowing down the search space. We will implement it with the while loop. Step 5. Now we need to find the element in the middle between low and high elements. The average will be low plus high divided by 2. I'm using the float division because we need to find integer, not the float. Index cannot be a float value. Step number 6. Now we know the value for the middle index. In our list, let's assign it to the variable value at the middle. Step 7. Value at middle will be the first element for our path to the target. Let's use append method to add it to the list. Step 8. Inside the while loop, create if statement. If the value at middle is our value, we need to return path to the target. Step 9. To break out of our while loop, we need to use the break keyword. Outside of the while loop, still in the body of the function, put return empty list. Step 10. It's time to test our binary search function. Copy-paste the values that are giving you in the exercise and you will see the output in the console. Step 11. As you see the output in the console, we have a problem. The second call has our element of 4, but it didn't find anything. That's why we need to add more logic in our while loop. Write else if value is greater than value in the middle, put pass. Step 12. If the value is more than value in the middle, then we need to move on the right. To do that, we need to change the low variable by assigning to the middle plus 1. Step 13. If the value is less than value in the middle, we need to move on the left side. Instead of the break keyword, add else clause and inside the body of the else statement put high variable equals mid minus 1. Step 14. As you see in the console, our second call of the binary function is updated. In this step, we will test the case when we don't find the value in our list. Step 15. Update the return statement with comma value not found string. Step 16. Update the return statement in the if block. Add f string value not found and the index middle. We are done. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.